Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at the top 5 cookie cutters available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Wilton Cookie Cutter Set. These Wilton cookie cutters receive stellar cookie cutter reviews due to their extreme versatility, as this set ships with 101 pieces in a wide variety of styles and designs. These unique cookie cutters can make birthday-themed cookies, cookies for nearly holiday, and even spell out entire messages, thanks to geometric-shaped cutters and the entire alphabet being included. We also loved that this Wilton 101-piece set is both dishwasher-safe and BPA-free. Add in the bright primary colors, the easy way these cut, and the size, perfect for smaller hands. When you have kids to entertain, there's the extra learning bonus of having numbers and letters to help them build words or messages. Afterward, run them clean through the dishwasher and pop them back into the bucket for storage. These are plastic cookie cutters, however, and the blades along the bottom are not as sharp as those found with stainless steel cutters, though we found them to be plenty serviceable. Additionally, some of the included cutters are on the smaller side and may not be the right choice if you are looking to make larger than average cookies. These cookies would still probably fit in your best cookie jar, though. Number 2. Ann Clark 11-piece Christmas Cookie Cutter Set. During Christmas, we apply the same rule of thumb to cookies and loved ones: the more, the merrier. Set up your baking station with 11 Christmas cookie cutters, including 2 Christmas trees and a reindeer. The festive decorations are up to you and your helpers, but the included recipe book provides ideas and inspiration. Make delicious holiday treats with 11-piece Winter Christmas Cookie Cutter Set. Made in the USA. Manufactured in America with certified food-safe American steel. For over 30 years the Clark family has specialized in original designs for creative baking. Cut, mold and decorate themed shapes for any holiday party or event. Create and make fun shapes with cookie dough, fondant, biscuits, brownies, cakes, or craft clay. The versatile cookie cutters are made to fit a variety of kitchen tools and can be used with a variety of doughs like fondant, clay, Mod Podge and molded fondants. The Ann Clark Christmas cookie cutters are packaged in a sturdy hardwood box. Every product is designed and made in the USA. The Clark family has dedicated itself to making high-quality, original designs for creative baking since 1978. Every item is manufactured in America with certified food-safe American steel. Number 3. Houlison Biscuit Cutter Set. These stainless steel biscuit cutters are all about precision. They come in 5 sizes from 1.75-inch to 3.75-inch diameters, and the measurements are marked on the outside edge. Because they have taller sides and a handle for extra leverage, these cutters can also be used for thicker, breakfast biscuits or scones. Houlison cutters are designed specifically for pastry doughs so they will not stick to them and make clean cuts. They're also non-stick and come with a hole in the center for easy removal from molds. Made from durable stainless steel that can be used over and over again, our biscuit cutters are a must-have for any home chef. Biscuits are one of those rare treats that taste better when made at home. The set has 5 different sizes ranging from mini to large. Each size has its own style as well. The set comes in a lovely gift box that makes it perfect to give as a gift or to keep for yourself in your own kitchen. Create a cleaner cut in your dough or pastry without any sticking. The comfortable handle is easy to hold and save your effort. Do not worrying about hand and wrist fatigue. This set is a must baking tools in your kitchen for creating beautiful cookies, precise fondant circles, perfect donuts, round sandwich, flaky biscuits, delicious crumpets, mini cakes, tarts and so on. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Mini Cookie Cutter Shapes Set. The Mini Cookie Cutter Shape Set is a collection of 24 small cookie cutter molds, made from food-grade plastic. Used to cut out pastry dough in a variety of shapes like dinosaurs, birds, hearts and more. Each durable mold is marked with distinctive outlines to help you get the edges of your dough even and neat. The smallest one measures just 1 inch wide by 3/4 inch deep. Some go up to 3 inches wide by 2 inches deep. Assembled set measures 12 by 9 by 2 inches. This is the ultimate baking accessory for children or adults who want fun-shaped cookies but don't have the time or patience for traditional cutters. Mini cookie cutters have endless possibilities. Use them to create fun-shaped cookies, fruit, or pies. Or add a finishing touch to cakes and cupcakes, fondant designs, sports events and more. This is a product dedicated to those who love baking and play with different shapes, color and sizes of cookies. The product have a great quality, so we do not have the possibility of return it. Number 5. Spring and Easter Cookie Cutter. There's nothing better than the fresh cookie dough and the delightful smells of cookies baking in the oven. Add to that a festive, spring or Easter theme, color, and shape, and you've got a recipe for an unforgettable bake sale. These mini cookie cutters are the same high quality as our large cookie cutters and can be used for fondant, sugar paste, modeling paste, marzipan, buttercream and chocolate, fruit bouquets, petal paste and more. They've been designed to easily cut through cookie doughs or other soft ingredients. Cleaning is a breeze. Just hand wash with warm soapy water or put them in your dishwasher. Make awesome cookies this season. The cookie cutter set is ideal for the use with cookies, fondant cakes, sugar paste, petal paste, DIY biscuits, chocolate, fruit bouquets, marzipan, rubber mud.